Okay, now the next step is to integrate a PayPal payment gateway. Okay, to integrate a PayPal payment gateway, we first need to have a PayPal business account. Okay, because we are actually going to create a sandbox account for that PayPal account. Okay, so what is sandbox account is, see, the sandbox accounts are actually used to test the payments. Okay, so when you are developing an application, you cannot just make a real payments, right? So that's why you will have to create a sandbox account, and you load the money into your sandbox account. Maybe if you want to add any amount of money, like for example $1 million if you want to add, or I can say $50,000 if you want to add into your sandbox account, then you can use that sandbox, $50,000 for making a test payments. Okay, so that's how it works. So that's the reason we usually use this sandbox accounts. So to create a sandbox account, you have to have a business account. Okay, so to create the business account, so if you guys have a business account, then you can skip this this video. If you don't have a business account, so what you'll have to do is you'll have to maybe you have to go through some YouTube videos, because actually I wanted to show this step by step in this course, but the problem is this creating a PayPal account, PayPal business account for it is very different for country to country. So I live in India, and if you are living in some other country, then it will be difficult for you to follow. So that's why the best way, what I can say is, you just have to go to YouTube and say how to create you can say create a PayPal account, PayPal business account in your country name. See what I'll do, in India I'll just say India. Okay, I'll see you see this is actually the official video from the PayPal India. Okay, so if you are not living in India, or if you are living in United States, you can just say PayPal, create PayPal business account in United States. So like this you can actually set up a PayPal business account. So once you are signed up with the PayPal business account, then you are good to go with the next step. Okay, so in the next step actually I'll be showing you how exactly to create the sandbox account. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Just go through all these videos, and you will find so many videos in the YouTube. Okay, so it is based on your the country where you are living. Okay, so create this business account and continue with the next video. Okay, thank you.